Hi, how are you?
How are you doing?
Good. I don't know why this continues to be a problem, but it's causing me so much stress. My probation officer got an email from here, which I don't know why she got the email and I didn't get the information, that said, I have an appointment for July. So much stress.
It's all right. It's all right.
From December 1st at 9:30
Mike, Health Center, please hold a moment.
with Mr. Winters.
Okay.
So my probation officer got an email stating that the evaluation I'm scheduled for probably doesn't meet the requirements of the court. So yesterday, your office was closed, which I found out when I was rerouted to the Mount Clemens location.
Yeah.
And I spoke to a lady there who she looked me up in the system, and she verified my appointment. And she did tell me, she said, she did confirm to me that the psych evaluation that I was set up for with Mr. Winters is a very extensive and very detailed 60-minute psych evaluation, and that she was quite certain that yes, that it does meet the court's requirements. And she wasn't quite sure why this office would have said otherwise. And she did verify to me, the probation officer has it, I don't. And she did verify to me.
It doesn't make any sense why we wouldn't have that. Just one second.
Well, you did. There's other things going on here behind the scenes that I'm not going to go into, which is why this has been such a problem. For one, somebody's trying to avoid this from happening at all, if you understand what I mean. And, okay, well, I don't want to go into that. But she did verify to me that Bradley Winters is a qualified psychologist.
Yes.
And that the psych evaluation I am specifically scheduled for is a very detailed and extensive 60-minute evaluation, and she was quite certain that that is what I need and does meet the court's requirements. And I would like you to look in the system and verify that the type of evaluation I am scheduled for that morning has not been changed.
What's your last name?
Salem, S-A-L-E-M.
First name?
Lisa.
Yep. It's initial assessment in person.
Okay, what does initial assessment mean? Is that the actual psych?
Is that the first visit? So they just do the full 60 minutes. Yeah. It's the full 60 minutes initial. So they're going to go over everything that is going to get you set up for your treatment, for the plan.
You mean if a plan is going for?
Right. Exactly.
What I need, I need to specify. I'm not trying to waste your time. It's other people up in supervision and administration of my care that's wasting your time, and mine, and the probation officers. I need comprehensive psych evaluation that indicates if any follow-up care is or is not necessary.
That will happen in that visit.
And does that meet court requirements?
That is what they.
Well, the thing was,
Okay, hold on. She cannot answer anything medically. You are having an initial visit with Brad. That's what he does. He needs to decide all that stuff. Unfortunately, we cannot give you any more answers in regard what to expect or what they're going to send to the probation officer. None of that. We don't know what he's going to do.
well, I just want to know if that's what I am scheduled for.
You're here for the initial intake on that day, and whatever he does during that visit is on him.
Okay, well, that's where I'm getting confused now, because I scheduled a psych evaluation and now it's being called an initial intake. Is there a difference?
No.
Okay, I do expect that is not going to change.
like I said.
My report, I was supposed to be done with the probation in October, and the probation officer wants to close this out just as badly as, more than I care about it being closed out. Like I said, there are things going on above your head that you're probably not supposed to know about, so, but yes, my probation officer has gotten an email. And yes, this has been an ongoing, stringing along game where people are trying to avoid this from happening. And I'm not going to allow that. Whether it does or does not meet the court requirements, I will be here for that full evaluation anyways, because I'm using it for my own patient file and for documentation for my own personal self-serving purposes. So,
Like I said, I can't tell you anything more, that's up to Brad.
okay, and now, I know you said you can't tell me anything more, but my probation officer specifically asked me typically about how long of a period after would it be that she should expect the results.
7 to 14 business days.
Great. Thank you.
And I'll let him know that.
Okay.
Okay.
And can you please let whoever needs to know that I know what's going on. And I do know my patient and my human rights. And as an intelligence agent, and I expect that appointment not to be changed, and I expect what I'm scheduled for not to be changed, and I expect whatever is going on above your head that I know you don't have anything to do with, I expect for it to stop, and I expect to be treated as any other patient would be treated. Okay, I do appreciate you ladies. Thank you so much. All right, you too. Thank you.